Hey guys, it's Caitlin Morris. I teach technology at Signature Premier Properties. Today I'm going to show you another KVCore video. KVCore is a CRM. It's a national company. Realtors all over the country use KVCore. The difference at Signature is it's free for all Signature agents and it's a really powerful tool. Today I'm going to show you how to create a custom smart campaign. A smart campaign is a series of emails, calls, or texts that can run for a specific client over a certain amount of time. So it can really automate your follow-up over a lot of different things. And there are a lot of campaigns already within KVCore. So first, an overview on smart campaigns. If you go to marketing and then smart campaigns, there are all of these campaigns in your library. So from here, here's your campaign library, and there's a bunch of different campaigns in here. Just an overview how it works. The name of the campaign is first. So this one says default closed, then a description, system default for contacts whose status is closed. It's gonna run when the status is closed for all buyer, seller, renter, vendors. And here's what the campaign's gonna do. It's gonna change status, create a call, and send emails and text. And it's gonna have 8 different touches throughout the campaign. So if you wanna see what the campaign does, you can click into it and it will show the different touches throughout. So for example, this campaign, the close campaign, if you have it turned on to active, just click on this switch. It will, moving forward, anytime I switch a contact status from whatever it is to closed, I closed a contact, if this is turned on, this will run for them. So they'll get all these messages from you. So first 30 days after I switch them to closed, they'll get this 1-month post-close email from you. Click on preview and here's the email. These campaigns are really powerful. There's a lot of different ones in here. I suggest making sure you click into each one and read what it's gonna send before you decide to turn it on. But I've also gotten a lot of feedback asking for tutorials on how you can make a campaign from scratch, which has a lot of steps, but it's pretty simple to do. So my last video I just posted, I showed how to create a custom email template. What you're gonna have to do to create your own custom campaign is make all of the templates first. Go into templates, I showed how to create an email template. You could create text templates too. Just under add template, you can click on text and same sort of thing, name the template, put in the text message and click on add template. But to create a campaign from scratch, you're gonna click on My Campaigns once all of the templates you want to be part of the campaign are created, and then click on Add Campaign. The first thing it's gonna show is the start trigger. So for the closed one, the start trigger was status is closed. This is gonna make it run automatically for anyone whose status is closed. If I don't want a start trigger, I want to manually add someone to a campaign, I could just click on I do not want a start trigger. You could also start a campaign for hashtag is, etc. There are all these different start triggers, but I'm just going to click on I don't want a start trigger. Click on next. Campaign is designed for, whether it's for buyers, sellers, both, just choose that here. Click on next. Set details, so you're just going to name your campaign. I'm just going to write Smart Campaign Tutorial, and then whatever the description you want for your own organization. Click on next. It says review and add, so just click on finish. So now in my campaign library, I'm going to scroll down and find this campaign, click into it, and now I just have the shell of the campaign. I have to add in the different touches. So all I'm gonna do is click on add action here. Whether it's an email, text, task, call, it's not going to actually make the phone call for you, but it's going to give you a notification to remind you to call that person on that day, which is extremely useful if you have the KVCore app that you can download from the App Store. I'm just going to click on email. So name of the touch, this is just for your own organization. I'm gonna say email 1 Montauk invite. Now under template, I saved this one as CM Montauk from my last video. I'm gonna go from agent, me, to whoever the contact is that I add the campaign to. I could either click on run immediately since it's the first touch, or I can select the time I wanted to send out from inception. So I can go to time unit and click on minutes, hours, or days. I'll click on hours and then a time value, let's put in 4. And then I'll click on add. And now 4 hours after I add someone to this campaign, they're gonna get this email from me. Click on preview and here's the email. that I created in my last tutorial, so you can check that out as well. It really depends on what you want the campaign to do. You can add as many touches as you want, you just have to make sure you create the templates first. Before you can add anyone to the campaign, you just make sure you switch this on to active, right here, button yes. And now this campaign will run for anyone I add to it. So this is definitely one of the most advanced KVCore tutorials I've created so far, so I hope it was easy to follow along. If you have any questions or if you'd like to learn more about Signature or technology, send me a message.